Today on the Cool Stuff Guys Like channel, I'm going to see if I can take some haze out of the headlights of this old 2013 Subaru Legacy. And being a car with 110,000 miles, I'm going to do it on the cheap. So I got this $8 3M kit and we'll see how it works. $8, it's hard to expect much, but we're just barely starting to haze here, so we'll give it a try. And one thing that I really like about this kit is that it also comes with a UV inhibitor, and that's really the biggest issue once you basically wet sand up these lights, is that it leaves them vulnerable to UV, and in a year or two you're gonna have the same problem all over again. First thing I'm gonna do is just clean them up really good so there's not any dirt on there that I'm just grinding into them. Got some soapy water here in a spray. And I'll use my clean water. And I'm just going to use this little 3000 grit sanding pad that comes with the kit. And we'll just basically wet sand until they say you have a uniform appearance. I'm really gonna hit this area really hard where the sun is hitting it the worst, so kind of like the more horizontal surfaces. And I am gonna really try to stay off my paint here. And I'm mostly going in one direction here. And then I'll come back and go 90 degrees to that. Well, that about does it for this headlight. I'm gonna rinse it good. Make sure it looks pretty uniform at this point. And this is normal. Should get taken care of when we put the clear coat on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open the first of the two wipes that came with the kit. I'm not going to unfold it or anything, and I'm just going to run it the length of my light here. And I'll overlap by about half. Make sure that I get everything. I'm going to use 2 gloves this time, since I realized that it's a lot easier with 2 hands to get a nice even coat. Clear coat's all dry now, and these look really, really good, especially for an $8 kit. We'll see how long it lasts. The clear coat feels really, really hard, so I'd expect to get at least a couple years out of it, and the application time was really pretty quick. So even if I do only get, say, 2 years between applications, it's just not that big of a deal. If you're washing and waxing your car, you know, put on a little bit more time, and you've got this clear coat. Now, if your headlights are like really trashed and really yellow, they make other kits that have a more kind of staggered sandpaper setup where you'll start at like 500 grit, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's probably the kit that you're going to want to get. But if you're in a situation like me where your car's getting a little older and you just don't want them to completely haze over on you, you want to make sure that you're still getting good visibility from your headlights, this cheap $8 kit works perfectly fine. I'll put a link to it in the description. I bought this off of Amazon. I think you can get it from Advance Auto or any of your local auto parts stores, most likely. Thanks for watching.